Kum ka Kitbok Kitrwiang yo ba Sanbor Shulai MLA ka South Shillong constituency hadin bola yo ya ka Kyrdan Myntri sarkar ka jala Meghalaya na kalyang ka dorbash nong Laban ha ka arpolai tarigo nailor arja arpusan kala Pynkup Burom yo ha ka Jingïoh ka bala Penlong ha Assam House Laban. Hakani kasngi na lor ba Sanbor Shulai layadon lang do ba Edward Karwan lang urang ba shnong ka Laban kinong elam shnong kipat ba nong shong shnong na lor kiwei. Hakani kasngi kala don ru ka jing Pynkup Burom ya kirang ba shnong ki bahap hakate ka constituency. Haba ay jingkran uba Sanbor Shulai ulaong. Baki don kinong Tremon ngobha na lor kiwei ki balakwa ban Pynkup Burom ya u daga ba penpau bo uklam pat tre namar bo ukwa shwa baka shnong ka ba ula he alasan kan syem ya kani ka benta. Ule thu ru bahadien bo ula syemti ya ka syuki Myntri sarkar ula yo jing tip bo ula yo ka mang tingka ka bakot palat praklur na ka benta ban siang thamai ya ka surak na du civil hospital point ter shadu St John last stop Kenton Street. Ula ang banalor ka mang tingka ban siang thamai ya ka surak ula la ru ban penyo pisa na ka benta ban sna thamai ya kinala hapo ka thain Laban borok kawai nalor kiwe pat ki scheme bat kini bero an sedang hadien ka puja.
Shillong Laban, with our greatest appreciation, we are proud to honor Shri Sanbor Shulai MLA, 19 South Shillong constituency, for being inducted into the cabinet MBA 2 Government of India as Minister in charge, Animal Husbandry and Veterinary, Art and Culture, Printing and Stationery, and Legal Metrology Department. This is the locality beautification.
To me, as the cabinet minister, there are the national NGOs, village council who have offered to felicitate me, but I said later on I will not accept now because the Shillong Laban have already communicated to me that they have fixed today to felicitate me. Because why? I said I'll begin. Let me start. Let me accept from my birthplace, this place where I'm born and brought up. So I would like to express my sincere thanks to my party first, the BJP, where the electorates, all of you have elected me first. You remember 2008. When I was nominated as the NCP candidate, again you have repeats 2013, again you have reposed faith and confidence on me and my party, the then NCP at the time, and again you have elected me for the second consecutive time. And later on, with the suggestion of my party workers, my ground force, and we do consultation with all the pockets within my constituency. 2013, after the delimitation, they have clapped. From the 10th to the 2nd Laban, and they have clapped. The election department, they have clapped. The 21 Burom, the 22nd Laban on the 19th South Shillong constituency, which I am the representative, only MLA who represent the army area, the civil areas of the defense, that is the entire continent area. To bring it to the information of the Laban and all the residents of Laban that very soon we have got a sanction of ₹8 crores for full black topping, that is called the bituminous concrete black topping within my constituency. The main entrance from civil hospital, it will start from the main entrance from civil hospital, then the main road of Laban, St John, Laban, Lumparing, Relbong area, last bus stop, then there Lumparing area, the Bishnupur area, New Kitchesis area. So after the puja, maybe we can start the work. And other proposal also we have proposed for renovation and reconstruction of motorable road, including aqueduct, drainage system, which will start from near the resident of Kompenita Maulong, but David Laiflang, downwards via elsewhere school, up to the resident of Siddiqui, Dr. Siddiqui. And it will connect also till the Laban Masjid main entrance. We have also started by the WD department the approach motorable road from the opposite Apaidi, from Jumerlin down, connecting the existing road. We have also earmarked and sanction has been given by the Urban Affairs Department for an amount of rupees 1 lakh for reconstruct of this Harishaba Lumkarte from the resident of late Bhaskar Chaudhary MLA, former MLA, in Gobar till the by a resident of the parents of Dr. Amit Lamari. Then it will reconstruct, renovate with aqueduct system. From there, via the resident of Dr. Amit downwards, connecting the lower Harisaba existing Blue D road. This is only for Laban locality. With the blessing of God, and we have proposed this. It comes from the Dorbar Laban in our series of inspection with the municipal area, with the urban authority in the last few years. So we have inspected, and finally I have taken personal initiative, and I have we have a team from Delhi, this architect, those engineer who prepare the DPR, plan, estimate. So accordingly, when we communicate from the office of the BGP Shillong, so they came, we have provided them a place to stay. So 3 days they have come and they have do the measurement. They have prepared the plan. The area which I'm staying in Ketchesris, Bishnupur, Longchatski, before delimitation, it was under the then 2021 Laban Burom MLA constituency. So after delimitation, they have clapped the 21 with that 22. We, the resident of the then Bishnupur Ketchesris, now we have converted into Dorbar Stone Longchesky Ketchesris. We don't have our own community hall. If you organize the election of Dorbar Stone or the executive committee meeting of various Dorbar Stone committee, we have to pay 10,000 to the committee of the Deva Kumar Hall, which belongs to our Assamese friends. But this is also the blessing of God which has blessed me and you. And finally, after delimitation, I initiate that plot of land. Then I move personally to the state government. From the DOC office, they have recommended, they have forwarded it to the secretariat, and it has reached the table of the revenue minister. Thank you so much, Dr. R. Silalu. I will not forget your wisdom. You really love our locality, the Kyrwoh. And when the file reached the table of Dr. R. Silalu, I told him, I was deputy speaker at that time. He's a cabinet minister. I said, normally they will have to table it in the cabinet for the cabinet approval. She saw us. Said, yes, I am the cabinet minister. Then and there he approved and allotted to the Urban Affairs Department. It's a revenue land. And that time I was a deputy speaker and Dr. Mukul was the chief minister. We had a meeting accordingly about 4 crore 30 lakh has been sanctioned for the construction of the Bishnupur Kentisries market kom dorbar ho. Let me say it in Kasi. Kalau ke ba so jam daw akasnong gudungi ke ba pijuyan perwor ke judan ke cire kies. Siapa kamu sedang kamu tahu? Dari wat ya tahu. Kayak lah. Play ba kador bar senong kalau bajang daw bagi pelong. How to urtun dai joki pun dai joki perlong asmis. Menta kador bar senong lakla. Lum saksi kentisries la down. La dor bar macam. Burom untuk lain dong. Kata orang tu kalau very strong, very systematic, apa kerja alam coba, one box star mendo, ubang ya kaya hela, nak Shillong Mail juga Shillong Laban. Coming to dorbar Shillong Mail, ngasih berkat, orang baru, dan risi esokak, baraja, mubah, Shillong Laban, dan Laban locality, it's a cosmopolitan locality which was established by the then British government. So many vacant land are there in the entire Laban area. Kuno tang kau kejaga pasnalu di Honda. Hanger film dorbar Shillong, long dorbar Shillong, jin dorbar Shillong, how to know tonight to the Assamese. Kamu, pindah lagi program, mandasi program, we have to pay. Kadang belongs to Assamese friends. Menta kalaban ru kadai ketik start ke jumpi ke Kyrwoh jumble kaba ngirayo sanction ni tigayo kalau kau ber dry market parking facilities ke lift ukandon staircase ukandon but adrong tu gindal la kajong ke dorbar hall now stop bakal Nasib dah, bamenta ada start tu iban jil Amerika. Kapasi utrai, ngalani patrai, le pat. Kenapa? Ya per pikir kami bikam tiba, ukupan trai, baik betul jadi baru ukupan.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam kta i ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki marba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya